Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data, so export a copy from Google Contacts now. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, stay signed into the same Google account on the device you'll change. Make sure you know whether you're on Android or iPhone because the menus differ. Next, open your device settings and go straight to Accounts or Passwords and Accounts. This is where Sync toggles live. Proceed to locate the Google account entry so you can modify its contact sync. Now you disable syncing. On Android, tap the Google account, find Contacts, and flip the toggle off. On iPhone, open the Gmail account under Accounts and switch off Contacts. You do this to stop two-way updates and to prevent Google from overriding local edits. After toggling, force a sync check or restart the Contacts app to ensure the cloud link is broken. If prompted whether to keep or delete contacts from the device, choose based on your backup. Typically, finish by verifying. If you want no Gmail contact interaction, remove the Gmail account from the device entirely. Otherwise, leave the account but with contacts off. Once removed, open your Contacts app and confirm entries match your backup or local store. If you see unexpected duplicates or missing entries, re-enable sync briefly, then turn it off again, or clear the Contacts app cache on Android. These steps force a fresh reconciliation. If problems persist, restore from the exported CSV or vCard copy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.